Well, hello, ladies and gents. Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
You already know it's Crystal Sykes right here.
Alright, so we figured we'd do another update video. Last video that we had...
What a great week.
Yeah, it's been a busy week for sure. Last update video, we talked about Chip. We introduced Chip and what all he's going to be doing here on the team. And we figured we'd go ahead and update y'all on our other new member, which is Ellen. And Ellen will be doing all of our administrative tasks. So here lately, we've just been a massive bottleneck, like I was saying in the last video. And Crystal and I have been running around with our heads chopped off. And Ellen is going to be helping with a lot of the things that Crystal's been doing from like an administrative standpoint. And we'll kind of let her talk about what else she'll be doing. But I know you're excited about it.
I'm super excited. I'm excited to have another female on the team. I'm excited to have a little bit of relief and being able to trust her with a whole bunch of different things that I do on a regular basis. And she's such a light, and it will be so wonderful to just have another wonderful person with such a great attitude. And she's great. I'm super excited about it.
I got to brag on her just a little bit. So one of the main reasons, we didn't originally even post that job opening because we were just going to let Crystal continue to do it. But then when Ellen came, she had originally applied for the production specialist to be making the bricks in the kitchen. And, we let her interview for that. But then after we, spent some time with her, we were like, she should do this administrative job.
Yeah.
And another one of the telltale signs was that she has watched literally every single one of our YouTube videos and comments on every single video.
So, but when she applied, we knew exactly who it was because she comments on every video, almost every post that we ever make. It's awesome.
I mean,
super
positive,
kind, loving.
Yeah, and one of the main roles of the administrative person is to be fielding a lot of the emails or the social media commentary back and forth. And we got to see firsthand how positive she was in responding to our videos, so we had no doubt that she would be up to the challenge and being a sense of positivity for any of the correspondence that y'all have with her.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So we're super excited nonetheless.
So excited. I'm so excited to share an office with her too.
Yeah. So rather than us just bambling on for minutes longer, we're just going to let you introduce to Ellen and see what you think. We're excited about it. We have no doubt that you will be as well.
Please welcome her, and we're just so excited.
Hi, my name is Ellen. I'm new to the Keto Brick crew as the administrative assistant, so I'll be interacting with you guys mostly online through email, comments, etc. And I'll be packaging your bricks. I'll also be taking them to the post office, answering emails, and jumping in the back to help the Keto Brick crew bang out bricks anytime they need help, even wash dishes. I love writing and I love keto, so this job is perfect and I'm so excited to be here. I picked up my writing about a year ago again, and I've been keto since 2017, and it has changed my life and opened more doors than I ever would have imagined. And on that note, I hope I can give back to the keto community and this company and the people who own it, even a quarter of what they've given me, and I'm gonna hit the ground running. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or just want to say hi, I'm the person to contact. Feel free to message me at info@ketobrick.com, and I'll also be checking the social media and any comments on YouTube, etc.